Hi friends, good morning everyone. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on the subscribe button and keep sharing our videos. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the history data when you're inputting certain field in SAP. Let's take an example. You go to SC38 and recently, like last 2-3 days back only, you were working on some program. And so you give space, but it's not visible. Okay, so nothing is shown. So you need to again search for what is that program. You click on F4 or whether you have a notebook, you have to take it and all. Okay. Why sometimes in few systems you see that history and few systems you don't see the history. So how to control that? You are going to learn in this video. Go to this customize local layout, click on options, and here go to local data, click on history. Here you have to select the option on. Okay, there are history settings are there. You can check it like what is the how many months you wanted to keep it and what is, because if you're keeping a lot of data in the history, right, that also consumes certain kind of a size and all. So those are all technical details you can verify later. But if you keep it on, then at least you can see our data from last 1 week or 10 days. We don't need some program which I used 2-3 months back, right? Generally, yesterday I worked and again I want to work, or 1 week back, 2-3 days back. Generally, that is our requirement as a consultant. So now you come to SC38 and give space. See, once I give the space, what are the different programs I used in recent days are visible. Okay, the same thing can happen for anything. You go to MB52 and you want to give some plant. See, what are the plants I have given in recent days. So this is the way how you can activate your history on or off. If you are feeling uncomfortable that system is showing a lot of entries like that, then you can off that history so that system will not show you any old entries. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.